I'm
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. This is gonna be an unboxing of some items that I just got. This is a hair removal waxing kit. It's two of them. I bought one that was a digital one and one that is just a regular knob. So this is something new I want to try. I've really been wanting to try waxing at home. So I bought these two from Amazon and I just want to unbox them, show you what comes in it, and then I'll be doing another video that shows me using them. So I do have, let me show you first on how much it was. So this one right here was $34.99, and right now, this is right now on Amazon. They still have it for $34.99, but when I purchased it, they had 50% off. So I got it for $17.50. With tax, came out at $19.04. And this one over here was $24.99 with $5 off. So I got it for $20. And then I purchased these like extra ones, waxing removal sticks. These were $3.85 for a 100 pack. Okay, and then now we're just going to unbox. Okay, so let's start with this one. This is a wax warmer, says fashion design, temp control, heater, and care hand. Don't know what that means. I'm so new to waxing, but I am so into everything that has to do with beauty. So, oh, and also the last time we spoke, I was telling you that I was wanting to think about doing different videos on this channel, and I decided that I'm going to keep this channel as everything beauty. So hair, nails, makeup, things like this, maybe skincare, you know, waxing, stuff like that. I'm going to just keep this one for there. If you're interested in like ASMR, I'm going to be coming out with another channel that's just solely ASMR. And then I will probably have another channel that would just be all pranks. So I decided to keep everything separate. So they come with the wax beads. I did open these up before just to make sure everything came inside, because the reviews were kind of like 50-50. So I wanted to make sure that it wasn't damaged or I had to return it. So this one comes with these. Comes with the instructions, comes with these four. It comes with the large and it comes with the small. You can use these for like your eyebrows, facial. This is for the body. And then it also comes with, I actually took these two bottles out because these two bottles actually did leak. This one not too much, but this one did. But you can see it's all out. So this is the pre-wax treatment. You spray this before you wax, and then you do this for the after wax treatment. Okay, this has the top. And then it comes with these. So this is, you can use this right here. This comes out. And you can pour your wax straight into here, or if you wanted to use multiple, or like you're doing for multiple people at a time and you don't have time to clean it out, or if any which way. Like, I mean, for me it's just at home, so it's going to be personal, so I don't really have to clear out my wax. I can double dip if I wanted to, but if you were doing it on somebody else, you do not want to double dip. So you can use these as separate ones. You can heat this up in here, and then when you're finished, dump it out if you want, or you can just heat it up straight into here. So I'm very excited to use this. So you turn the dial on, it'll show you digitally the temperature. And it's pretty cool. I want to try to get into waxing at home. So this is what it came with, including the two bottles. And I'm going to be trying this out. I'm so excited. Let me know if any one of you have tried waxing like at home. And if you have one of these, how you like it, where'd you get it from? I'm interested in knowing if anybody else does this. Let me go on to the next one and show you what that one has. Okay, so this is the Tuka Hair Removal Waxing Kit. This is model BWWI. Okay. Okay, so this comes with 5 of these. It comes with some of these for your fingertips. Large, small, and then 4 bags as well. We don't need that. These are much bigger. You can see the beads. These are much bigger than the other ones. You can see side by side, which is okay because I bought a whole bunch more of these just in case I didn't have enough. But these are the 4 these come with. Those instruction. That. This is the advanced waxing system. These are the covers for the machine. And this one is pink. Okay, this is cute. Look at that. Look at how pretty. Okay, so this one, as you can tell, it only has the knob. So I can't really tell what temperature it's on, like if it's too hot. But this just says medium and max. So you put it on max once you see it heating up, and then lower it down until you see the consistency of where it's supposed to be. So this is the top for it. This one doesn't come with the tray that you can take out. This doesn't come off. So this one would stay there. I don't know, I see it turn, but I don't see it move. So I think this one stays there. So I would probably use these. And this is what this one comes with. And this one was on sale for $17.50. It comes with all of these. And then this is for you to put like over here. So you would put this here and then use it so that way the wax doesn't get around there. So I thought this was really cute. I cannot wait to try it. I am very excited. I've been wanting to do waxing for a very, very long time. Like at home, try it for myself, especially the hard wax. So this, I don't need the strip of paper that goes on top and then ripping it off. This is hard wax. So it's literally just scoop it, put it on, and then rip it off. So I'm so excited to use this. I'll probably show one like a demo on my arm or on my leg. We'll see how I'm feeling. We'll see if I'm not too chicken shit when I get it done the first time. So yeah, I'm so excited for this. Remember guys, let me know if you guys ever tried hard wax or waxing at home, what your experience was. Really interested in hearing what you guys have tried or what you guys have experienced with it. So I'll link these two down below. Thank you so much for watching. Head on over to one of my playlists if you would like to see the all about nails, all about makeup. So thank you once again for coming back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video or get something from it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a video. And thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.